Hi, welcome to part 2 of my Christmas DIYs. I'm starting off with these dark candle holders that I found in the Target dollar section. They were $3 for the two. And I'm taking my bronze spray paint and spraying them off. I'll link the exact shade of the spray paints. I don't remember the exact name, but it is a bronze color. While I was outside, I also gave these a quick coat using the same bronze shade that I just used. These ornaments I got last year from Crate & Barrel during their after Christmas sale. I believe they were $2 each, if not less. I'm back inside and now I'm grabbing another pair of the same ornaments that I just spray painted. So I bought a total of 4. These two I wanted to do something a little bit different than just spraying them. So I took a mix of folk art brushed metal collection and brushed bronze and the Mississippi mud shade from Decor, and I used a brush for these because I wanted that brushed antique look. So these ones I did give I think 3 coats, and then on the last coat I used more of the brown shade to deepen it up a little bit because I wanted that brush stroke to be noticeable. Here you could kind of see the difference between the spray painted and the hand painted ornaments, and I really love the variety between the two. So my original idea was to swap out the black string for this velvet ribbon, but as I was in the process of doing that, I actually liked how the ribbon looked just looped through and in that natural organic curl that I had. And here I took a white paint marker and started adding some small details onto the spray painted ornaments just to add a little bit more detail since they are a little bit more flat compared to the hand painted ones. And you'll see my little guy hanging out with me for a little bit. He was curious to see what I was doing. Now I'm taking the exact same paint duo that I just used for the ornaments, and I'm going to be using the same technique that I used in my previous video, DIY video, and I'm just simply taking a paper towel, dabbing it into each shade, and then dabbing that onto the candle holder to give it that rustic bronzed look. So sorry for the light change. My son is in preschool and he's only in school for 3 hours, so that's the only time of day that I am able to spend hours at a time on things like this. so everything is mainly done on different days. But anyways, I found this doormat in the Target dollar spot for $5, and I think it's really cute, but to better match my theme and like my color scheme, I'm deepening up the red part of the bow. And at first I mixed a red paint with the brown, but I didn't really like the shade it was creating, so eventually I just started using a brown shade. I wanted to dress it up a little bit, and I decided to add some gingerbread house details. So again, if you saw my last video, I DIY'd a little gingerbread house. So I just went onto Google and searched up gingerbread house clip art and used that as inspo, and I just started freehanding that on the doormat. This part was a little bit more time consuming just because since you are painting on the doormat, you do have to dab the paint into the fibers, I guess you could say, of the doormat. Otherwise it will just stay on the surface and I don't think it would last very long. I think this came out really cute, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to continue doing this for each holiday to come. It was very fun and therapeutic to me. I love painting and drawing and, you know, doing anything crafty. Plus it was only $5, so it's a very inexpensive way to customize and elevate something simple like this for your home. Moving on to the final projects of the video, and of course using the same paint duo that I've been using for a majority of my DIYs. I'm taking these gingerbread cookie cutters that I bought from Target, and I spray painted them matte black, and going in with my favorite technique ever for creating a rustic distressed look, dabbing the paints onto it using a paper towel. And so I'm going in with the bronze shade first, and then the darker brown shade, and then just kind of going back and forth between both of these shades, and just doing that until I reached the desired, I guess, patina. I loved creating these rustic cookie cutters. They just look like your, you know, usual antique metal cookie cutters. And I love that this little project gave it that realistic look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed all of my Christmas DIYs, and I hope you got some inspo. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!